This 2011 Toyota 4Runner has lots of scratches, swirls, and paint chips. What we're here to do today is we're going to be doing a stage 3 paint correction, which is buffing and sanding these swirls and scratch marks out where needed. We're also going to be doing paint chip repair, which is filling in the paint chips where we can. And then we are also going to be doing a hand applied clear coat. Of course, this starts with a thorough exterior wash. We decided to wash this exterior 3 times, and the reason we decided to do that was just to make sure we could get all the residue and the dirt off of the paint, since we are going to be working pretty extensively on it. After the wash, we did a clay bar treatment, which helps get the microparticles out of the paint, again just for prep work of this vehicle. The next step of our prep work was sanding the scratches that were deeper into the paint that we knew wouldn't come out with the buff. We also had to start prepping the areas for the paint chip repair. So you'll see here, there's lots of that going on the driver's side. On the hood, of course, which happens from rocks, flying at you on the highway, and just all kinds of different things that happen to driving your vehicle. And this vehicle is 11 years old, and the paint hasn't really been paid attention to too much. So there's kind of a lot going on here. So the next step in our prep, of course, like I said, is the sanding, and then afterwards we do the paint correction. All in all, this vehicle took about 11 to 12 hours of paint correcting. We had to buff and polish each panel about, 8 to 9 times. The paint just really wasn't wanting to cooperate, but part of that was because it did need another layer of clear coat. The existing clear coat was not really doing its job anymore. It wasn't protecting the paint too much, so that's why you'll notice that on these afters there's lots of shine, depth, and clarity in the paint that happened from our paint correction, but also from this hand applied clear coat. This hand applied clear coat is going to give the customer 3 to 4 years of protection on the full exterior. We are a mobile detailing company out of San Antonio, Texas, that specializes in interior detailing, paint correction, and ceramic coating. If you may be interested in our services, you can check out our website, www.freshstartdetailers.com, where you can book your appointment or you can request a quote from us.